Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong kabababalang pong DepEd Order number 9 series of 2024, itong school calendar and activities for school year 2024-2025. So ipapakita po natin dito yung lahat ng mga important events no sa DepEd no para ngayong parating na school year 2024-2025. Ayan, so meron na ngang ibinabang DepEd order. Ayan, nakikita niyo mo sa screen natin. July 15, 2024 po yan binaba. So, bagong-bago po ito ngayong araw po mismo. Ayan. So, DepEd Order number 9, Series 2024, implementing guidelines on the school calendar and activities for the school year 2024-2025. So, hindi ko na po babasahin isa-isa no, yung lahat ng nilalaman ng memo kasi medyo mahaba po yan. Doon lang po tayo sa mga importanteng bahagi po mga kamaestro. Ayan. So, nakalagay dyan po ng pasukan natin ngayong school year 2024-2025. Alam naman natin yan. That will be on Monday, July 29, 2024 and end on Tuesday, April 15, 2025 including the mid-year break and end of school year or EOSY rights. Okay? Ayan. Ito po yung mga importanteng part. Ayan. Ayan, kakabanggit ko lang po kanina. Itong part na to. Kung ang opening ng klase natin and yung ating end of school year rights. Okay? And then, ito po, sa mid-year school break natin, so meron po tayong 5-day na mid-year school break. At ang ating pong mid-year school break ay naka-schedule sa darating na November 25 to 29, no? And shall encompass a blend of professional development and assessment of programs, projects, and activities, PPAs, a 3-day school-based in-service training, or INSET shall provide teachers with opportunities for ongoing professional growth in accordance with the guidelines issued by the National Educators Academy of the Philippines on NAEAP. Ayan, so magkakaroon po tayo ng INSET, no? INSET po tayo sa ating mid-year break ng 3 days and the remaining 2 days shall be dedicated to mid-year performance review. Ayan, ito po ating performance review ng ating IPCRF but awaiting pa rin po tayo sa ng EO61. Ang ating Christmas break, ayan medyo nakakalungkot lang no kasi after ng January 1 pasukan na agad kinabukasan ng January 2. Pero syempre order sa atin yan, so papasok tayo mga kamaestro no. So December 21 ang start ng ng Christmas break at magbabalik po tayo ng January 2, 2025. Ayan. So meron lamang po tayong almost 11 days no na Christmas break. Okay? And dito naman papakita natin yung mga importanteng activities, no? Monthly activities. Ayan. So for July, ayan, syempre start of enrollment, then 17 Brigada Eskwela National Kick-Off. End of enrollment is July 26. Then Oplan Balik Eskwela is July 22 to 26. Ayan, then Brigada Eskwela National Repair Maintenance period from July 22 to 27. Then ang beginning of school year natin is July 29. Ayan. Then pagdating naman ng August, important events natin. August 21 is Ninoy Aquino Day. Then August 26, National Heroes Day. So holiday po yan. Yung mga nakamark po ng X, lahat po yan ay holidays. Ano po. Then, yan, itong National Career Assessment and Examination, ng NAT for Grade 10 and PEPT ay pa po yan. Wala pa pong exact date. Pero yan po ay gagawin sa August. Ano po. Pero wala pang eksaktong date yan. Then, pagdating naman ng September, so sa August pala, meron tayong 20 days no, sa buwan ng August. Pagdating naman ng September, CARLA, Comprehensive Reading and Literacy Assessment, Administration of PhilErie, then yung MFAT, para naman po sa Multi-Factored Assessment Tool, then Administration of the Rapid Mathematics Assessment. Ayan, wala pa pong mga dates yan, pero yan po ay gagawin ng September. Then, pagdating ng September 5 is start of National Teachers Day. Then, Oplan Kalusugan sa DepEd, wala pang date. Start of Career Guidance Orientation for Grade 9, 10, 11, and 12, wala pang date po yan. And then, ang itong pinakahintay natin, yung first academic quarter examination, mangyayari po yan sa September 23 hanggang 24. Then, end of academic quarter number 1 is September 24. Then, start of academic quarter 2 is September 25. Next po, para naman sa buwan ng Oktubre or October, World Teachers Day sa October 5. Then October 12 is Parent-Teacher Conference and Distribution of Report Cards. Ayan. Then, pagdating naman ng November, so November 1, meron tayong holiday. Ayan, All Saints Day, Special Working Holiday. Ano po? Then, Pagdating naman ng November 25 to 29, yun yung sinabi natin kanina na mid-year break. So 25 to 27, learners shall be on distance learning. Then 28, 29, learners shall enjoy a break from academic work. Ayan. So meron palang pasok ang mga bata ng 25 to 27, pero sila ay nasa distance learning. Ayan. Siguro modular or online, ano po. Then pagdating naman ng November 27, araw ng pagbasa. Then pagdating ng November 30, ayan po, holiday yan, pero yan po ay Sabado, natapat ng Sabado, ano po. So Bonifacio Day po yan. Then, administration of the RMA. Ayan. Wala pang exact na date. Then, yung mid-year break, yan, nabanggit natin kanina, 25 to 29. Pagdating naman ng December, ayan. So, December 2 and 3, ang ating academic quarter number 2. No? So, second periodical test natin, December 2 and 3. Then, December 4, start of academic quarter 3, start of the second semester. Then, December 8, ayan. Holiday po yan, kaso natapat na naman ng linggo ano mga kamestro. So, Feast of the Immaculate Conception, ayan, kaso natapat po siya ng linggo, December 8. Then, December 14 is the Parent-Teacher Conference and distribution of report cards for quarter 2. Then, December 21, start of Christmas break. Ayan, syempre, Christmas Day, December 25, Rizal Day, December 30. And last day of the year is December 31. Ayan po. Then, pagdating naman ng January, so January 1, syempre New Year's Day po yan. Then pagdating na ng January 2, resumption agad ng klase natin. So huwag tayo masyado magpuyat ng January 1 kasi kinabukasan may pasok na. Ano po. Then January 25, start of early registration for incoming Kinder Grade 1 and Grade 7 and 11 for school year 2025-2026. Ayan. So early registration po yan, no, January 25. Then yung NAT for grade 12 and yung PEPT and yung accreditation and equivalency test, wala pa pong eksaktong date. Ayan. Pero gagawin po yan sa buwan ng January. Then, pagdating naman ng February, ayan, February 7 and 10. So, we have here the third academic quarter examination. Ayan. Then, February 10 is end of academic quarter 3. And, of course, pagdating ng February 11, start of academic quarter number 4. Then, February 22, Parent-Teachers Conference and distribution of report cards for quarter 3. Then, February 15 is the end of early registration for Kinder, grades 1, 7, and 11. Ayan po. Next, we have here the March 2025. Ayan. So, March 2025, National Achievement Test for grade 6 or not grade 6. Wala pa pong eksaktong date yan. Pero gagawin po yan ng March. Then, March 1 to 31, administration of the end of school year RMA, yung Carla at saka yung PhilErie. Ayan. So, wala pong eksaktong date dyan. So, bahala na po siguro yung kanya-kanya mga schools. No? Depende po sa mga schools na ito. Basta gagawin po lahat yan sa buwan ng March 2025. Yung RMA, yung Carla at saka yung PhilErie. Then, administration of the early language literacy and numeracy assessment or yung ELNA. So, wala pa pong date yan, pero yan po ay gagawin sa buwan ng March. Okay? Ayan, sa pagdating naman po ng April 25, so April 9 po, so regular holiday po yan. Then, 7 to 8 is the 4th academic quarter examination. Then, April 10 and 11, final deliberation of honors. And, of course, April 14 and 15, end of school year, right? So, kung mapapansin po natin, 2 araw lang po yung nakaschedule na end of school year, right? So, unlike po ng mga nakaraang school year na parang hindi ako nagkakamali, 5 days or 4 days yung schedule po ng ating graduation. So, pipili po tayo ng date doon. Pero ngayon po ay 14 and 15 lamang po ang nakalaan na date para sa ating graduation ceremony. Ayan. Then, pagdating ng April 16, start of teachers and learners EOSY break. Ayan, hindi ko lang alam kung matutuloy pa yung, ayan, nakalagay dito, no? So, good news. So, pagdating ng April 17, Monday, Thursday, and April 18, Good Friday. Siyempre, Holy Week po yan. Wala tayong pasok. And, ayan, April 19, start of the 30-day mandatory EOSY break of teachers. Ayan, so medyo magandang balita to ng mga kamaestro. Meron pa rin tayong 30-day mandatory EOSY break. So, sa uninterrupted break siguro to, no? Hindi lang natin alam yung guidelines dyan. No? Pero sa tingin ko, uninterrupted break pa rin to, no, mga kamaestro. So, magsisimula po yan ng April 19. Baka yan na yung bawal ulit tayong istorbohin. Ano? Sana nga. No? Wait po natin yung further announcement ng DepEd dyan. Pero nakalagay naman yan is mandatory EOSY break for teachers. Then pagdating ng May 1, Labor Day, May 18, end of the 30-day mandatory EOSY break of teachers. Ayan. Then pagdating ng May 19, start of the National Learning Cup or LLC. Ayan. Then yung National Schools Press Conference, National Festival of Talents, National Science and Technology Fair, and Palarong Pambansa and Learners Convergence. Wala pa pong eksaktong mga dates yan. Pero lahat po yan ay mangyayari pagdating ng May 2025. Ayan, so good news ko, no, yung ating 30-day mandatory EOSY break for teachers ay mangyayari pa rin ngayong parating na school year. Then, pagdating ng June 2025, ayan, end of the National Learning Camp, June 6. Then, pagdating ng June 9 to 13, Brigada Eskwela. Then, June 16, opening of classes for school year 2025-2026. Then, June 23 is DepEd's founding anniversary. Alright, so far po, yan po yung ating mga importanteng mga events o mga activities na mangyayari po ngayong parating na school year 2024-2025. No, na naka-base po yan sa DepEd Order number 9, Series 2024. Ayan, so dito ko na rin tatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga ka-maestro. Sana nakapulot kayo ng mga mahalagang information. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong ating video, please share it sa inyong mga ka-maestro yan para ma-inform din sila dito sa ating mga importanteng mga activities na gaganapin ngayong school year na 2024-2025. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na para ikaw yung unang makakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin, katulad itong mga updates about sa DepEd. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, updated ka pag may mga bago tayong videos na ina-upload. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3.